షీఈస్ అ డాక్టర్, షీఈస్ అ యాక్టర్, షీఈస్ అ ప్రొఫెషనల్ డాన్సర్. తనే లీమా దాస్. ఈరోజు తను హైదరాబాద్లో ఉన్నారు. హైదరాబాద్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ షార్ట్ ఫిల్మ్ ఫెస్టివల్కి వచ్చిన లీమా దాస్తో ఓ స్పెషల్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ. లెట్స్ వెల్కమ్ హర్. హాయ్ లీమా, హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
Good, good. I'm good. Having a good time here at the Hyderabad International Short Film Festival.
So, Lima, we have seen you like in different fields, and each field is not connected to the other. How do you manage so many tasks?
Yeah, I've been asked this question for a very long time. I mean, I've already, always done these things at different times of my life. Like I started with dance and I wanted to become a doctor, and after working as a assistant professor, and suddenly films came into my life. So one thing I would like to tell my audience that whatever you do at whatever point of your life, it is you have to do that with your whole heart and soul, and then probably the other aspects of you will take a back seat when you're concentrating in one thing. That has worked for me. And because when you are into something and you want to be really good at it, you have to pour everything into your time, your energy, and everything into it. So yeah, that is what has worked for me.
So, the passion towards acting, when did this start, and who inspired you the most?
I don't come from a film background at all. I come from a purely academic background. But the thing is, when I saw these art house films when I was young, these Smita Patil films and the Shabana Azmi films, I was really inspired.
Which is your favorite movie?
Oh God, there was this. I can't name one favorite. Earth was one definitely, and many of Mirch Masala. Those are films that really stuck in my head when I was young as an artist. But also more than the film, the performances of the actors. I always wanted to do this one particular film with the red bindi, and I had no clue from where that would come from, but it did. When the script of Amis fell in my hand, I just knew that this is the kind of film which I wanted to do. And I waited for 40 long years for a script like that, and it was all so worth it. So yeah, that's how film is. It's like that big stroke of luck, but I think it was worth it. The wait was worth it.
When an actor gets a national award, the recognition is like different. It is very massive. So, how did your life change after that?
So I didn't get a national award. I got nominated for it, but I did win an international award. It's Singapore South Asian International Film Festival. I also got nominated for the Best Actress at the Tribeca Film Festival in New York City. I mean, for the first film, if you get nominated for these awards and you also win the state award, it's huge. But what's also huge and also very humbling is the love of the people which you get. These awards came in later. But I was quite surprised when people used to come up to me and say that we love your work, I'm a big fan of yours. Those all things were something very new to me and came later in life. I wasn't really ready for it. I didn't think that would happen to me. But it's really humbling. I'm really, fortunate and grateful to the universe for this.
If you want to collaborate with any Telugu actor, who would it be?
Vijay Deverakonda. Yeah. Yeah, I think he's a very humble human being, and I've seen one of his interviews, and somebody who's very rooted, somebody who's immensely talented. So yes.
And what is that one thing you really like about this industry as a whole? Because now everybody is pan-India.
Yes, because it is that one opportunity. It's like a rocket which can shoot high. I mean, it's a life change. Films have been a life-changing experience for me, and I think this is the only field that you can skyrocket into something else altogether.
So what's coming up? What's Lima doing nowadays?
I'm looking for work in any industry, in any language, and I'm open to working in films, be it art house films, be it commercial films. I left a government job for my passion, and like everything else which I've done in life, I'm going to put my heart and soul into this.
So where are you shooting nowadays?
So next is Bombay. Next stop is Bombay. So I have a shoot after this. So yeah, I hope it goes well.
What do you like the best about these festivals, international short film festivals? We see different technicians, directors, actors coming over here.
Oh my God, it's the scale. It's the scale. I mean, in one place, it's like the melting pot, right? You meet so many different people with so many different ideas. You have Iranian films here, films from the Northeast, and especially this film festival, because it has a special Northeast pavilion. It made me feel so special. And I was thinking that should be just the beginning, and we need more of these festivals.
Okay, so one thing in Assami you want to tell to all your fans?
When you say I love you in Assamese, you said moi tomak bahut bhal pao. So that's for all of you.
Once again, teach me, no?
Moi
Moi
Tumak,
టుమాయ్
Bohut,
బహుట్
Bhal Pav. Bhal Pav.
హాల్ పావ్
Bhal Pav is love you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ద ఎమోషన్ ఇస్ సో స్వీట్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ లవ్లీ టాకింగ్ టు
Thank you, and thank you so much for having me here.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో చూసారు కదా దట్ వాస్ ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్లీ లీమా దాస్ తను ఏమంటుందంటే ఇండస్ట్రీ ఒకటే ఆ ఇండస్ట్రీలో చాలామంది టెక్నీషియన్స్ డైరెక్టర్స్ డెఫినెట్లీ డిఫరెంట్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్స్ నుంచి వస్తున్నారు అండ్ విజయ్ దేవరకొండ అంటే తనకి చాలా ఇష్టం కెమెరామెన్ అలీతో తరుణ ఎన్టీవీ హైదరాబాద్